Hello friends, this is Avijit here. Welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. It's a long time after I'm making video. Today in this video, I will show you to make a fox box like it. So let's get started. At first, I'm taking 3 pieces of 10 x 10 cm craft paper. Now fold it in half from corner. And fold again in half. Now fold the 2 parts in half again. Now fold the other 2 pieces in same way. Next, join the pieces like that. Our fox box is ready. It's looking nice. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.